Hi, we're doing a series of videos here on how to cut notches in wood, and there's several different methods that we're going to go through. One of them is a table saw. If you have a table saw, and in fact you have a table saw with a dado blade, then for certain types of notching applications, the dado blade is safe and effective and very accurate. Let's say that we wanted to cut a notch rather, in this wood that's 5/8 inches wide and 5/8 inches deep. So what we would do is we would set up the dado blade so that its width is 5/8 of an inch. So it'll cut the width of 5/8. And we set the height of the blade so that it's 5/8 inches high. Then we place, we mark one edge of where we want the notch to be, and we bring that edge up against the dado blade in such a way that that is where the left edge is going to be, and that'll put the right edge 5/8 inch in, over from that. So I'm going to make a cut here, and so I'm going to turn on some noisy equipment, and I'll get back with you when we're done. So now you can see we have a very nice, actually perfect notch. It's 5/8 inches wide and 5/8 inches tall. Now if you could also turn the wood this way and make the notch through that way. Clearly that's true. If you were trying to make the notch vertically, then you get into safety issues using this, and this is not the method to do that. So you wouldn't want to do a tall piece, an end-on notch. We'll talk about other ways to do that. As always, if you liked this video and found it useful, we just click the red bar, the subscribe button, and you'll get other videos from us. Thank you.